How to remove your at-home extensions safely. Make sure everything is near you for the removal. The purifying serum, sponge tip removal sticks, and an eye-safe face wash. Drop some serum to the sponge tip sticks. Coat the lashes with serum. Make sure they are soaked with the serum. The serum is natural and eye-safe. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. You can start peeling off the lashes by holding from the edge of the band. They come off like butter. No damage. Once all the lashes are peeled off, if you have any residue, you can use a sponge tip stick to remove it. Once all the lashes are clean and removed, you can use an eye-safe face wash and wash your face. Then you're ready for your new set of lash extensions. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it.